All right, hello, my third graders. I am going to help you out here with the language homework, the grammar. So if you hopefully have printed that out or you're looking at it on a screen and you are doing the work on paper, that'll work also. But let's go ahead and jump into it here. So this is Monday. Correct the sentence. The planet Saturn has 62 moons and many rings. Okay, we don't want have. This should be has. Okay, has is singular. Have is plural. Okay, this is subject-verb agreement. Saturn is singular and has is singular. So because Saturn is singular, you have to put the singular verb has there. Okay, label the parts of speech. A scientist is a noun. Use is a verb. Spacecraft is a noun. That would make robotic an adjective because robotic is describing the spacecraft and adjectives describe nouns. Saturn is a noun. What does it really mean? I know you are nervous, but don't get cold feet. Getting cold feet means to be scared. Okay, refrigerator is a thing that refrigerates. So what you're going to be learning this week here is when you have, when you put an OR or an ER, make sure my pen's in there. When you have an ER at the end of a word or an OR at the end of the word, it turns it into a verb. No, I take that back. It doesn't become a verb. When you add an OR and ER, sorry, I had to close the door. My dog was barking. When you put an OR or an ER to the end of the word, it becomes a noun, and it's it does the action that the word is. For example, refrigerator, it becomes a thing that refrigerates. So same thing with a manager. It's going to be a person who manages. So hopefully you kind of pick up on that idea. Okay. Underline the conjunction in the sentence. Saturn has a rocky core. So this is a independent clause. This can stand alone. So that's an independent clause. Is mostly made of gas. This is not an independent clause. That is a dependent clause. Okay? So when you have an independent clause and a dependent clause, it needs to be joined together by a conjunction. And the conjunction is but there. And this is a complex sentence because it has an independent clause and a dependent clause. Which is correct? Visiblest, most visible. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings, but Saturn's are the most visible. List examples of when it's okay to speak or write informally. So informally just means it's casual. It's not like a serious meeting. It's usually done with people that you know. So if you're talking with friends. Talking to family. If you're doing a note to a friend. stuff like that. So that's when you can talk informal, when it's just casual conversation. All right, hopefully that helps you with your homework.